I just got this email from Ofgem. It's good to see that British Gas are on top of their admin and they've applied for the bus grant in a very timely fashion, seeing as I've only had the heat pump in for just over a year. So Ofgem have told me that they've been appointed by DESNZ to be the admin for the boiler upgrade scheme. Yes, I know all of this. So I need to give consent and confirm that I'm eligible for the boiler upgrade scheme grant. Otherwise, British Gas won't receive that money from the government, and then I presume they'll come after me for it. So I'm going to just take you through a few things. So apparently I've got 2 weeks to click on this link. And by the way, this went into my junk folder, and I have to confirm that I'm the property owner, consent to the application, and confirm that I'm eligible for the scheme. Apparently it will take 2 to 3 minutes. And in case you're not familiar with the bus grant, they have provided some links here so you can read all about that. But I've done my homework. I know a little bit about the bus grant and the scheme. Let's see what this entails then. Okay, so on the first page, just covering a few details there, but property owner's name, the installation address, the type of heating, which is air source heat pump, and then the quoted price. So I just need to check through that and then just confirm that everything is correct. So just below, off the bottom of the screen there, I've checked 2 boxes and I'm going to press confirm and continue. Now they want to know who lives at this property, who occupies it. So I live here and continue. Okay, so they're just checking that I've got a valid EPC that's been issued in the last 10 years, which it has. So I can just check the box to say it is. And I can click on that, confirm that I'm eligible, continue. Okay, so now we have to make a declaration on all of these things, that I'll be the owner of the new heating system after it's installed. As far as I'm aware, my previous property has not previously had a heat pump. I have not received a grant from public funds to cover any of the purchase or installation costs of this heat pump. This heat pump or biomass boiler has not been funded by the energy company obligation, so like an Eco4 scheme at the moment. I've read and understood my EPC report. I've read the information under optimizing the energy efficiency of your property and acknowledge that heat pumps perform best in a well-insulated property. Please stop echoing this stuff. The property is not being used to provide social housing. I understand that the details are confirmed in this application, as well as the new heating system on my property may be subject to audit as part of Ofgem's approach to managing fraud and non-compliance. So that's all good. I'm going to check all of these boxes and confirm and continue. Go! And that's it, consent received. What happens next? You don't need to do anything else. So they'll assess the application made by British Gas, and then they will let them know the outcome by email. So I guess I don't get any more correspondence. That's all you need to do for the bus grant. There's some smaller installers that have been maybe sharing some misinformation about how it's administered and the homeowner's role in it. But basically the installer is responsible for all of the admin, the paperwork and administering the kind of admin side of it. And all we're doing is we're just ticking a few boxes to just confirm that this is not a rip-off scheme and that we are actually legitimate. Simple as that. I just thought I'd put a quick little video together. Oh, I've already received an email to confirm that I've made the application and given my consent to British Gas reclaiming £7,500 from the British government on my behalf. Thank you for watching. You'll see me in another video soon. So like and comment and subscribe and let me know if you've already done this or if you maybe had a heat pump and didn't even notice it because maybe you didn't get the email that went to your junk folder. Goodbye for now.